Unit 9, Lesson 4, looking at the article Brownsville, Texas, a model for improving public health. We're going to see how the author has organized this article in block format, and we're going to read like a writer. First, the author has the introduction. In this introduction, the hook, or what draws people in, are some surprising statistics. For example, half the population was obese, and the rate of diabetes was 3 times the national average. The author then moves to the point of this article, and that is to discuss both obesity and diabetes in Brownsville, Texas. And so here, the urgent issues in the community were obesity and diabetes. In block organization, the author will first discuss all issues related to how the community dealt with obesity. And those issues were first to increase physical fitness, and then to create sports teams, both related to obesity. After they created those sports teams, or another result, they continued to combat obesity by creating running and biking lanes, or jogging trails in the city, biking and pedestrian lanes. The board's next task, or the next topic that the author wants to deal with, is diabetes. And now each one of these points discusses how the community dealt with diabetes. The first point was to create community gardens. The next point was to provide support for families through health centers. The next thing the city did was to help communicate about diabetes, create weight loss programs, and other initiatives. The conclusion shows the results and the effects of all of these changes that happen inside the community of Brownsville. And the author does something interesting here. The author connects with the reader, similar to a hook, and asks a question so that even when the reader is done with the text, they continue to think about the text because of this question. Which of Brownsville's public health initiatives would you like to see in your community? Good writers try and connect with their readers.